November 2024, North Ridgeville, Ohio. A fourth-grade teacher, daughter of the police chief, spirals into obsession. She stalks her ex-boyfriend 33 times in 19 days, tails him home nightly, and steals his belongings in a jealous rage. Hannah Freeman, believing family ties make her untouchable, faces court with a smirk. Her apology rings hollow, a lawyer clashes with the judge, and sentencing unleashes chaos. Will privilege shield her, or will justice strike? This is a tale of entitlement meeting reality. Stay tuned for a courtroom showdown. Hannah Freeman, 27, a North Ridgeville teacher at Ranger High-Tech Academy, breaks up with David, a Westlake middle school educator, in April 2024. She refuses to let go, stalking his school 33 times in 19 days, following him home nightly. November 6th, she escalates, stealing laptops, wallet, keys, and medications from his car after finding another woman at his apartment. November 7th, David's 911 calls bring Westlake police to his school lot, where Hannah waits, watching. Bodycam captures her denial.
Did you invite her here?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Yeah,
Are you sure you didn't invite her here?
Yes, I never invited her to anything.
She said that you invited her here.
Yeah, I know. She probably would have said that. She actually yesterday followed me to my apartment, stole stuff out of my car.
Yeah.
Medications that I need, my car keys, which I was finally able to get back from her, a laptop, and my wallet. And she has run up a bunch of charges on one of my credit cards now.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, and then because I did date her back in April, we probably ended it. She kind of knew passwords to like my accounts and stuff. She's been messing with my accounts.
Where did she rack up the charges at?
That was all from Amazon.
Hannah Freeman.
Hannah Freeman? Are you supposed to be up here?
Mm-hmm.
You are? Mm-hmm. Were you in his vehicle earlier?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Well, we went to get dinner together, but...
Where'd you guys go get dinner at?
King's.
King's?
King's, yeah.
Raising Cane's? Which one?
North Olmsted.
North Olmsted? Okay. Well, we got a complaint from him that you were in his vehicle tonight and you're harassing him and stalking him.
I mean, I don't know what to tell you.
Okay. Did you take some items from him last night? Leave your phone in the car?
I am. I'm putting it down.
Step over here.
I'm putting it down.
If you ever turn around, put your hands behind your back. You don't got anything on you, it's going to stick, choke, anything like that.
No.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
Where are your keys for the car?
I don't know.
Hannah faces 5 felonies: menacing by stalking, burglary, 2 counts of aggravated theft, identity fraud, and drug theft. Serious charges carrying prison time. Evidence is overwhelming: GPS tracking, 911 calls, stolen items worth $1,100, Amazon charges on David's card. Her father, Police Chief Michael Freeman, looms from her 2022 disorderly conduct case, where she boasted, "My dad is the chief." June 2025, a plea deal reduces charges to 3 misdemeanors: disorderly conduct, obstructing official business, possessing criminal tools. Attorney Michael Kinlan claims the relationship continued and Hannah was helping at David's school 33 times. Sentencing looms. July 17, 2025. Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court. Hannah delivers a rehearsed apology, minimizing her actions. Her attorney pushes for leniency, but a clash with Judge David Matia and the sentencing unravel her composure. Watch the raw moments.
You have the opportunity to speak before we announce your sentence. What would you like me to know?
I regret the incident. I definitely acted out of emotion, and I regret that decision I made that night, and I will take steps necessary to move on from this incident, and you will not see me back here again.
Okay, thank you.
Hannah's brief apology, framing months of stalking as that night, lacks remorse, sounding rehearsed and dismissive to the court.
Okay. Court has considered this matter. This is frankly a bizarro breakup between two professionals. The pre-sentence investigation does not paint a pretty picture of your behavior, Ms. Freeman. You should have known that was over. It's my understanding that the victim had someone else in his life. I'm going to place you on 18 months of community control. You'll be ordered to have no contact with Mr. McKenzie, the victim, in this case, as a condition of community control. You are to wear a GPS device for the first 90 days. You'll be on house arrest with work release. You'll be ordered to undergo mental health counseling, particularly to establish healthy boundaries. And you will serve the first 7 days of this term of probation in our county jail. You are ordered remanded.
We hadn't agreed sentence.
You didn't agree with me, Mr. Kinlan, and I am charged with sentencing.
At this point, Your Honor, we're going to make a motion to withdraw her plea, and we'd rather go to trial.
Because you don't like the sentence?
No, because we don't like the way the court has interpreted the facts.
Mr.
The facts are
Kinlan,
not correct.
did you talk to me about sentence before you pled your client?
You were not available, Your Honor.
I'm available all the time, Mr. Kinlan. You chose to plead your sentence, your client.
We only met with you one time, Your Honor. At this point, we'd ask to withdraw her plea.
I'm offended that you would make the insinuation here that I don't work enough.
I'm not making that insinuation.
When was this case indicted?
December.
Yeah, half a year ago.
Your Honor,
Did you make any effort to talk to me in the last 6 months about how I would sentence your client?
Yes,
No.
we did.
You did? When?
When I asked you to take her off GPS back in April.
Okay, and I did.
Yes.
But that wasn't about sentencing, was it? I just asked you, did you make any effort to talk to me about what sentence I would impose after you negotiated a plea deal with the state of Ohio?
No, we did have an agreed sentence with the state. We asked the court to go along with that agreed sentence as a condition of plea.
Didn't ask me, sorry.
A plea is not knowingly voluntary.
Your bad practice is not my problem.
I don't think it's my bad practice.
Attorney Kinlan's attempt to withdraw the plea meets Judge Matia's sharp rebuke, exposing a misstep in assuming an agreed sentence.
It's my bad practice.
We're done.
Hannah's apology crumbles as Judge Matia imposes jail time, triggering her tearful meltdown, a stark contrast to her earlier courtroom confidence. Judge Matia weighs Hannah's privilege, clean record, and David's trauma against her calculated actions. The ruling reflects accountability over leniency. 18 months community control, no contact with David, 90 days GPS house arrest with work release, mandatory mental health counseling for boundaries, 7 days immediate jail in Cuyahoga County, fines waived for indigency, costs assessed. The plea deal reduced felonies to misdemeanors, but Matia rejects the defense's minimization, enforcing consequences for a teacher who thought privilege would shield her. Hannah Freeman loses her teaching career, her reputation in tatters. David gains protection through no-contact orders and GPS monitoring, validating male victims often dismissed. The case exposes privileges limits. Family ties and status can't outrun evidence. For viewers, it's a warning. Unchecked obsession escalates to crime. If this courtroom drama gripped you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stories of justice served. Explore our playlist for more true crime insights. Stay aware, stay safe.